Okay, so start explaining what it is, who you are and what it is.
I'm Poppy and I got this Shopkins and it has some baskets and it's one there and one top of there and it's this big there and it has Shopkins inside.
Shall we get them out then?
Yeah.
So you pull out that's it, slowly. Right, so take out the baskets one by one. Just put the baskets on the side in a row. Okay. Right, now you've got to tell me what's in those baskets.
It's a little mushroom.
Show the camera. And what's he called?
Mushy mushroom.
Okay.
And I don't know what this one is. I think it's an apple cheese onion or something.
Apple cheese onion. Show the camera. Show the people.
I think it's a banana head booster.
Banana head booster.
No, I don't think so.
Put him down with Mr. Mushroom then.
I don't know what it's called.
What about the next lot?
Oh, this is just a little something. It's his bag.
So how many Shopkins did you get?
I got this bag called Baggy Bag, I think it is. I got this one called Candy Candle. Is it candle? No, I don't think so.
So how many Shopkins did you get in the box with the fridge?
I don't know. I got drinky drink. I think it's drinky drinks with sunglasses or something.
Put them there facing the camera.
And I got a wear phone, cool wear phone, I think. Let's put this.
So what's that one?
This is a wear phone called, I think
It's ultra rare, isn't it? It's not just rare. Ultra.
Wear. Let's open the next one. I think this is apple.
Apple.
I think it's cherry. Because it has a leaf on top and a flower. And a little word there. And some yellow.
It's a peach, isn't it?
Yeah, peach.
Turn him round so we can see the camera then. What's the other one that you've just picked out?
This is mushy mushroom, I think.
It's a pretend one we made out of plasticine, isn't it? It's not a real Shopkins.
No. Oh.
So we've got all of those. Not all of them you got in the...
No.
And then you've got...
The fridge.
The fridge. So if I show the fridge then... So, what's in the fridge?
Let's open it. Wow! I think this is... Close that. I'm not
You're not ready yet? Okay. So what have you just got there then?
I got drinky drink bottles. I think it's called.
Drinky drink bottle.
I think it is. I think it's tree creases. It looks like a little baby tree. I'll put that with Mummy.
That's another pretend one, isn't it?
This is a bin.
Got a bin as well.
Yeah. Let's open this one. Woohoo! A pie! I think it's called Freddy Pie or something. Whoa! A cardboard Shopkins. Yeah. I don't know what it is. Oh, little TVs. Come on, do I look you? I got tiny TV, and it has a little face on. Tiny TV. And let's put it here. I got some lists. Down exploded. I found tiny TV.
Can you see any of the ones that we've got on that list there?
I think I can. I think I found cherries. There! I found fruit. Look.
Oh yeah, what's that called? That's peachy, isn't it?
Peachy.
Not cherry.
What's that? I have sausages. That's saucy. I had that one.
What's it called?
Sausage. I think it's called sausage.
Sausage sizzle.
Okay.
Any more?
Oh, I found a wear phone. Dad, look over here. I found a wear phone.
Ultra rare, isn't he? You got two of those, haven't you?
Yeah, two.
So you could swap with someone.
I found gingerbread house. I found gingerbread house here.
Oh, cool.
Look, here. Here. Ginger.
Gingerbread.
Gingerbread.
Any others?
Oh, Dad, I have that one. Dad,
Which one?
I have that one. I have that one stuffed away somewhere. That one.
Good look at his name. Got it upside down.
Oh no, I have that one.
Wendy wedding cake.
Look, Daddy, I have that one, don't I?
That's called Shady.
Shady.
You've got the shoe on there as well.
Which shoe?
There's a shoe, isn't there?
Yeah, purple shoe.
So what else have we got in the? So what else have we got in the fridge?
I'm not just going to.
There's two drawers down the bottom.
Yeah.
And if you open that up, what else do we get?
Oh my God! I can't believe this.
So what's in the basket?
Little eggs, little babies, that's so cute.
So,
They are really small, the canicots. Can you see?
hold it steady for a second. If you put them down on the, put them down there where your other hand is. I can zoom into them. If you put them there.
Woo! Dip-a-doo. Come on, you egg.
So how many eggs have you got? Count them when you put them out.
Okay. I'm going to start. That was really bad.
Put them where you put them. Well, why don't you put them where they're supposed to go, which is in the door, because there's a special egg place in the door, isn't there? In
No.
there. There. Put them where they live in the door. There's a special egg shelf, isn't there?
I got 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was not good. 4. I got all those eggs. Look at those basket.
I thought there was meant to be 6. We're missing one, aren't we?
Where is it?
Don't know. We'll find it. Put them in the door where the egg shelf is. There's a special egg shelf, isn't there?
This is pretty. Daddy, it's only one egg missing. One egg missing.
We'll find him. So what else have you got in there?
Does it fall back? I can always fall back. Come on, get this out. See, I told you I got hat. I told you I got hat. Look. Umbrella.
Put him down there then. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Can
So that's shady, isn't it?
Yes,
So take the other ones out. What else have you got in there? And you got little baskets with it as well, didn't you?
I got cake! Come on. I got cake. I think this is called cake. What's it? I can't get it out. See? I think it's squirty because it has jam coming up. It's called jammy or something. I like those Shopkins. Come out. Come on. What you doing? Have to find your face. Ooh.
What's that?
I got gingerbread house.
Gingerbread, isn't it?
It's gingerbread, I mean. Should I come?
What else have you got in that basket there?
I found an egg. What's in this basket?
You put him in the shelf where he...
I'm going to show the camera.
You're going to put him there, are you? Okay. So that's the last of the eggs. 6 eggs. Got their own special shelf in the fridge.
I got another wear phone. What else have I had? One more left.
Last one. So some of these you didn't get in the Shopkins kit, but...
I got, I think it's sushi or something. Oh, wow. So, that's how the Shopkins side again. Ooh. La, la, la,
So as well as a fridge, you got 8 Shopkins, didn't you? About 8 Shopkins and some baskets.
Yes, let's put them all back.
And how much was it? How much was the box? It was about £20, wasn't it?
I think it's 8 because I have 8.
Yeah, it says 8 there, doesn't it? So it was about £20 for 8 Shopkins, a fridge, and some of those little baskets. Some of those little rubber baskets there.
Yeah. Let's put them all back.
So the question is, Poppy,
Yeah.
the question is,
Yeah?
would you recommend anyone to buy it?
No, I think I did. Or not, I didn't.
Would you tell other people to buy it?
No, Mommy. Mommy did buy it for me, didn't she?
She did, yeah.
Ooh.
But would you think it'd be good for other people to have their own one of these than go to the shop and get one?
Yes.
Why?
Because some people want to buy stuff.
So why would you say it'd be good for them to buy this kit then?
Because it's really really cool and you can put stuff in it. Yeah, that's right.
So there's lots of drawers, isn't there?
Yeah.
And you haven't shown them the secret drawer either. The
Which
secret compartment.
Oh no.
No, there's a chute above that, isn't there? So if you open the door above there, what's the door there? That one. So what happens if you put somebody in there and then press the button? So put Shopkins in there. There's a secret action, isn't there? So if you put them in there, close the door.
Yeah, when we just do this, it pops out, doesn't it?
Yeah, go on then.
No, I'm doing all these.
Like that. It's like a Shopkins dispenser, isn't it?
Daddy. You're not allowed to do that. When people work. Am I doing good for doing this? Good questions. Mr. Funnivers. Good questions. Mr. Funnivers. That's disgusting. Oh no. Where can we put this? I think we can. Yeah. Yeah.
So pretty much everything fits in, doesn't it?
Yes. Can you watch up?
It's not going to fit in, is it?
Okay.
Just put those in there. Have to take them out. Have to take them out the basket. That's it. You put the drawer in. Put the drawer back in. Close the drawer.
I think it won't fit.
It will. Close the drawer. Close the door. There. Everything's fitted in. And you've still got some baskets spare to do shopping. So what would you say is your final word then? Poppy, look at the camera. What's your final word?
Scary.
Scary. What was that then? No, your final recommendation on Shopkins.
My recommendation, I don't know what.
So would you tell people to buy it?
Yes.
Why?
Because I like buying stuff.
Okay.
Mommy likes to buy me stuff. That made me fall alone.
So you've got lots of baskets, they're all stacked together. So they all go together, don't they? Fantastic. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
To the camera, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
To here.
Goodbye, camera. Oh.